here. This is these are some photos we took about a week and a half ago on campus. These are 360 photos, and so I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a tour here, and also show you our campus. You know, it's nice to be able to kind of picture what it will be for you, what it will be like for you to be studying here. So. This area here, this is called the Quad, and this is kind of one of the main academic areas on campus. And so we have all these buildings here. These are libraries and auditoriums and academic buildings with classrooms. And this is really a kind of the center of campus. And you can see it's really a beautiful place. This one here, this statue is actually the founder of our university. His name was Dr. Wells. And so Pogue Library, this building here that you're able to see, this is Pogue Library. It's one of the oldest buildings that we have on campus. So we'll go inside. Right now, it's a library. It's kind of considered our second library. It's a great place to study, very quiet. You can see that it's really a pretty building on the inside as well. I will go over to our science complex. So if you are interested in coming for biology or wildlife sciences, or for example, chemistry, this is our biology and chemistry building. So we actually, at Murray State University, we have about 60 buildings on campus. What's nice about the layout of our campus is everything is close together. So as an international student, you know, you don't need to have a car. And it's very convenient because walking from one side of our campus to the other side of our campus usually takes about 15 minutes. So it's pretty easy for you to get around. And again, like I said, it's safe for you to walk around our campus. We just went inside here to the chemistry department, and this is actually a living periodic table, which is kind of a cool display that they have there in the chemistry building. Now let's jump over to one of our biology labs. And actually, this is one of our researchers here in our Department of Biological Sciences. He's a professor from India, originally from India. So he is working on some different research projects here. And so you kind of get a feel for what it looks like to be in a biology lab, if any of you guys are planning on coming for biology. We'll now jump over to this is our main library on campus. It's called the Waterfilled Library, and there are 3 floors on this in this building. This one is the main floor, so a lot of students will come here to do group work. You know, they do projects together as a group for one of their classes, and so you can see this is really a nice facility here. The lower floor and the upper floor of this building are quiet zones, so you know you're not allowed to do group work in those areas because you have to be perfectly quiet. But this floor is good for students who need to work together on some of their projects. Okay, we'll jump over. Let's take a look at this is our student center. We call it the Curris Center. And so inside here, there are restaurants, there's a bookstore, there's a theater. This is kind of the main hub on campus for student life. A lot of student organizations will have their events inside the Curris Center. It's right in the middle of our campus. Across the way here, this is our engineering facility. Then let's look at, how about we go, let's go look at our residential college area. So this is, these are the residence halls on campus. So like I said, we have 9 residence halls at Murray State University. And these are you know, especially for you undergraduate students, this is a great place to live because you're very close to all the academic buildings. You're very close to the library that we just looked at. You're right next to the dining hall. So it's very convenient for you, very safe. And it's really a great way to get to meet people, to get involved with the campus. So going inside, this is one of our this is what a dorm room or a residence hall room would look like. So for the undergraduate students, most of you, you'll have a roommate, and you'll share a room. And so this is kind of what it looks like in one of our residence halls. This one here, this is Winslow Dining Hall. So this is the one that I was talking about before. This is the main dining hall on campus. And here you have a lot of sorry guys, my light went out. It's an automatic switch that goes off. So this is our main dining hall on campus, and here you have a lot of options as far as vegetarian food. We do international food on some nights. There, you know, is American food. Very healthy options here. So this is going to be your main place if you're living on campus, and this is going to be your main place to eat. So we'll go over and check out the Wellness Center. This is our exercise facility and track. You can see a lot of students play volleyball. There's basketball, exercise equipment. This is a great place to hang out, to stay in shape. This also, in the same building, we have a swimming pool as well, so you can go for a swim. Again, this is all included with your student ID card. So you come to Murray State University, you get a student ID card, and then you have complete access to all these different facilities on campus.